Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain what to do when you've hit rock bottom. First, it's crucial to acknowledge your current situation without judgment. Understand that this low point can actually be a powerful catalyst for significant change. Allow yourself to feel the emotions that arise, whether it's sadness or frustration, but commit to not dwelling on them for more than a few minutes. This acceptance is the first, vital step towards moving forward and rebuilding your life with purpose. Next, it's incredibly important to seek support and utilize available resources. Reach out to trusted friends, family members, or consider speaking with a professional therapist who can offer guidance. Explore community support groups or helplines. There are many options available. Remember, asking for help is a profound sign of strength, not weakness. You don't have to navigate this challenging period alone. External support can provide invaluable perspective and practical assistance. Once you've acknowledged your situation and sought support, develop a small, actionable plan. Identify 1 to 3 achievable goals for the next 24 to 48 hours. These could be as simple as taking a 5-minute walk, preparing one healthy meal, or making a single phone call. Focus on basic self-care. Celebrating these tiny victories will build crucial momentum and confidence, proving to yourself that progress, no matter how small, is always possible. Finally, cultivate resilience and maintain hope throughout your journey. Practice mindfulness or meditation for 10 to 15 minutes daily to ground yourself. Reflect on past challenges you've successfully overcome. This reinforces your inherent inner strength. Understand that recovery is a journey, not a single event, and progress is often gradual. Embrace the process, celebrate every step forward, and believe in your capacity to rebuild a fulfilling life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.